One of the videos I watched was about tipping. You know, you're out traveling or you're going to a restaurant, tipping. And one of the stories was for a hotel room. If you didn't leave a tip in the hotel room every day when the people come in to clean it, you didn't leave a tip, the person cleaning the room would take your toothbrush and clean the toilet with it. Well, that's not impossible to happen. That could happen. But here's how you do a workaround on that. Okay, you got your toothbrush. You brush your teeth. You clean up the toothbrush. Put it away in your travel kit. You know, wrap it up in toilet paper or whatever. But put it away in your toilet kit and place another toothbrush that you're not using out on the sink counter. Then, if it gets used to clean the toilet, what do you care? Your regular toothbrush is safely in your bag, and the people cleaning the room thinks that's your toothbrush. Now the laugh's on them.